What up, guys? Just got home from work, got a little something in the mail, wanted to open it up with you guys and check it out. So let's get into it. Alright guys, thanks for joining. Like always, if you like the video, hit that like, and if you're not already, hit subscribe. Really appreciate it. It helps the channel grow. So let's get into it. So we are having the P6 Scale Trail Challenge 2025 here at the Homestead, and it's an event that I've been putting on for the last, I think this is the 6th year running. It's once a year I throw an event at my personal course. I don't compete in it. I just host the event and do something fun for you guys. And this year we're getting it really back to scale. So I'm really trying to get back to scale. I think all these class 2 comp crawlers just got crazy. I want to see some hard bodies and some details. So we're having a scale campsite competition, and that's going to be hosted by a lot more creations, and I'll talk a little bit more about them here in a minute and leave some links in the description. You can check them out. But I got a little something in for Miss Crawlercast campsite. I've got a camper for mine, but for hers we got a little something in, and she chose a different color, but I got one too. So we got these right here from tinytent.com, and these are their new micro tents. And these come in at just under 10 inches, I think is what they say on the website. So should be a perfect tent scale camp tent site. So this is the bag. It comes in a whole little bag and everything, just like a real tent. Thought that was really neat right off the bat. And this one's mine, actually. This is the green one. I think it's a hunter green, they call it. And then Mrs. Crawlercast, we got her the mint, which is really cool as well. So let's open it up. So, all right. So it's rolled up like an actual tent. Look, we got an actual plastic bottom, and you can tell already there's the vinyl tent itself. Got a nice thicker vinyl. Ooh, that looks woven. Looks like a woven vinyl there. Let's roll it on out here. Okay, so we got some instructions. Pull it on out here. Oh, there's our tent poles. Let's check these out. They don't have the string between them, but I don't guess you need that with one this size. Those are pretty cool. Enjoy your micro tent. Here goes Tiny Tents, and I believe the website is tinytents.com. Let's look at this. Oh, what is that? Oh, are you kidding me? It's a little rain cover, a little rain poncho for your tent. Now that is trick. That's scale. That's what I'm talking about. That's some scale stuff right there. That is awesome. Let's check this out, guys. There's the little door zips open. Looks like we got, do the windows zip open? Looks like the windows are just faux windows, but it's got a door on each side. Man, that is pretty trick. Let's get this thing together. pretty cool little tent setup, man. It doesn't get much more scale than that. That dude is super sharp. So I got it set up here with a few things so you guys can kind of see the scale of it. I think it's freaking perfect for tent scale camping. So you guys hit up Tiny Tents and get you one of these. They were on sale when I seen them, so check while the getting is good. They may still have them on sale. I'll leave a link in the description below, but hit up Tiny Tents, tell them Crawlercast sent you. Get you a tiny tent, man. These things are super cool. All right, thanks for joining me, guys.